In this video, you will learn how to calculate percent increase or decrease in Excel. Making calculations related to percentages is a common task in Excel, so it is good to know how to do this. I will show you 3 simple examples. Let's get started. In example 1, we will look at how to calculate the result of a percent increase. Here we have an employee named Mike Smith, who has a current salary of $75,000. Mike's performed really well at his job this year, so his boss decides to reward him with a 10% salary increase. How would we go about calculating Mike's new salary? Well, let's go to cell D6 and start the formula with the equal sign. Then let's specify Mike's current salary of $75,000 in cell B6. Type the asterisk sign to multiply, open parentheses, 1 plus, then specify the 10% salary increase in cell C6, close parentheses, hit enter. You can see that Mike's new salary is $82,500. Now what if we change the percentage salary increase to 5%? Now you can see the new salary is $78,750. Mike's done a really good job, so let's give him the 10% because he really deserves it. In example 2, let's calculate the result of a percent decrease. Here we have a product, a mobile phone, which has a current price of $1,000. It's currently on sale with a 15% discount. How would we go about calculating the new price? Let's go to cell D6 and start a formula with the equal sign. Then specify the $1,000 current price in cell B6, type asterisk to multiply, open parentheses, then 1 minus the 15% discount in cell C6, close parentheses, and hit enter. You can see the new price is $850. So this 15% discount results in a $150 savings. In the previous examples, we calculated the results of a percent increase or percent decrease. In example 3, we'll calculate the percentage change between 2 numbers. Here we have the mobile phone product once again, and currently has a regular price of $1,000, and now it's on sale for $800. What if we wanted to find out what percentage change the sales price represents? How would we go about doing this? Well, let's start a formula in cell C6 with the equal sign. Then we take the sales price of $800 in cell D6, divide it by the regular price of $1,000 in cell B6, and then minus 1, and then hit enter. Now you can see that the $800 sales price represents a percentage change of minus 20%. Now, let's say if instead of the price going down to $800, it went up to $1,200. Now the percentage change is a plus 20%. So it's not really on sale, is it? So let's change this back to $800, and as you can see, the percentage change is minus 20% once again. In this video, we looked at 3 examples. In the first example, we looked at how to calculate the result of a percent increase. In the second example, we looked at how to calculate the result of a percent decrease. And finally, in the third example, we looked at how to calculate the percentage change between 2 numbers. I welcome your comments below. Let me know what you thought about this video. Please like and subscribe if this video has helped you. Thanks for watching.